emojis appropriate in business? Emojis are a hot topic these days, and whether you love them or you hate them, there is no denying that they are here to stay. And as it turns out, emojis can be quite useful in marketing and business communications when used correctly. Emojis have been around since the 1990s, but they've only recently become mainstream. In the past, emojis were very popular in Japan, but now they're used all over the world. If you're not familiar with emojis, they're the small little digital icons or images that can be used to express a wide range of emotions or ideas. They first gained popularity on cell phones, but now you can find them just about anywhere, from social media platforms to email signatures. Some people argue that emojis are unprofessional and shouldn't be used in business communications. However, there are many benefits to using emojis in marketing and other business applications. Benefits of emojis. For one, emojis can help you better connect with your audience. They add a personal touch to your message that can make it more relatable and friendly. Emojis can help you convey complex emotions or concepts quickly and effectively. I've always tried to add like a little smiley emoji to make my writing more friendly, as if to say, hey, I'm not a jerk, I am just to the point. I've heard that emoji use is more popular with women than men. I seem to be more in the know than Sean when it comes to emojis. He says he uses them very rarely, so maybe there is some truth to it. What about you? Do you use emojis or not? So should you use emojis in business? Research has shown that using emojis in marketing communications can actually boost engagement. One study found that using an emoji in an email subject line increased open rates by 56%. So dudes, it may be time to up your emoji use. The right way to use emojis. When used correctly, emojis add emotion to text-based communication. They can also make messages more fun and interesting. However, there is a problem with emojis. They can be misused. For example, some people use emojis in a way that is rude or insensitive. This can be a problem in business and marketing contexts where professionalism is important. But when used properly, they can benefit our communication. Using emojis can soften criticism, they can increase friendliness and competency, and people react to them like a real human face. But does that actually make them appropriate in business? So the question is, emojis in business? Yes or no? Really, emojis are not just for kids. Adults use them too. In fact, emojis can be useful in business and marketing contexts. For example, they can help you add personality to your message or set the tone for your words when they could be misinterpreted. So when should you use emojis in business? That said, it is important to use emojis in a way that's appropriate for your audience. If your lawyer dropped a poop emoji, it may be time to find a new lawyer. Even Google Docs recently announced that it has added emojis. So maybe your lawyer isn't too far off from using them, but hopefully this one instead. If you decide to use emojis in marketing, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you want to use emojis that are consistent with your brand. First, make sure that you use them in a way that's consistent with your brand voice. You also want to use emojis with restraint. You don't want to overdo it. A few well-placed emojis can be effective, but too many can be overwhelming. Learn the popular meaning of popular emojis. Finally, you really want to take the time to learn the meaning of some of the most popular emojis. This will help you avoid using them in an unintentionally offensive way. Emojis in marketing. Overall, emojis can be a valuable addition to your marketing toolkit. When used correctly, they can help you better connect with your audience and boost your engagement. So don't be afraid to experiment with emojis in your next marketing campaign. Your guide to emojis. So now that we're cool with emoji use to connect and boost our engagement, what emojis should you use? Well, let's take a look at 25 of the most popular widespread emojis and what they mean and how you can use them in your digital marketing. Smiley face with sunglasses emoji. This emoji is often used to indicate that something's cool, awesome, or impressive. It can also be used to convey that a person is feeling happy, relaxed, or that something is excellent. Use this emoji in exchange for the word cool. In marketing, you could use this emoji to describe your product or service in a positive light. For example, you could use it in an email subject line or a social media post to grab attention or convey excitement excitement about your product. Thumbs up emoji. The thumbs up emoji is a positive gesture that can be used to indicate approval or agreement. It can also be used as a way to say thank you. To use the thumbs up emoji in your marketing, you can use it to show your appreciation for customer feedback or give the seal approval on a new product or service. The laughing emoji. The laughing emoji is used to express amusement, joy, or laughter. It can also be used as a way to lighten the mood or diffuse a little bit of tension. If you want to turn it up a notch, you can use the tilted laughing emoji to show that you are laughing so hard that you are rolling on the ground, a popular one that's used on Facebook. To use this emoji in your marketing, put it in your email subject lines or on your social media posts to add humor and levity to your message. The heart eyes emoji. The heart eyes emoji is used to express love, affection, or admiration. It can also be used as a way of saying thank you or showing appreciation. You can also use the star eyes emoji to mean wow. You can use these emojis in your marketing to show your customers that you love their feedback or to thank them for their loyalty. Using this emoji also works when you know your customers will love something like a sale or a new product of yours. The fire emoji is often used to indicate that something is very good, exciting, or impressive. It can also be used as a way to show enthusiasm or expressing approval. Young kids these days say that things are fire. So to use the fire emoji in your marketing, you can put it with a product or a service to put it in a positive light. For example, you could use it in an email subject line or a social media post to grab attention or convey the excitement about your product. The 100 emoji. The 100 emoji is often used to indicate that something is perfect or excellent. It can also be used as a way of showing the approval or agreement. You can also use it instead of saying 100% agree with you or keeping it real. So how do you use this emoji in your marketing? You can use the 100 emoji to show your customers that you're committed to providing them with the perfect experience. The party popper emoji. The party popper emoji is often used to celebrate a special occasion or to express excitement. It can also be used as a way of saying thank you. So how do you use this emoji in your marketing? So you can use the party popper emoji to celebrate a milestone for your business or to thank your customers for their loyalty. The finger pointing emoji. The finger pointing down emoji generally means read below or simply look at this. It's a way of directing attention, usually a link that someone is posting or suggesting agreement. So how do you use the finger pointing emoji? You can use it to direct your readers to a link that you want them to click or to emphasize words that you want to point to. You can also use the finger pointing forward emoji to redirect them to keep on reading. The balloon emoji or the cake emoji. The balloon and the cake emojis are often both used to celebrate special occasions or to express excitement. You can use the balloon or cake emoji to celebrate a milestone for your business or to thank your customers. The hand raised emoji. The hand raised emoji is used to volunteer or to say, I'm in. It can also be used as a way of saying, count me in. You can use the hand raised emoji in your marketing to show that you are interested. The gift emoji. The gift emoji is often used to show appreciation or to say thank you. It can also be used as a way of celebrating a special occasion or sharing a free offer. You can use this emoji in your marketing to show your customers that you appreciate your business. You could include it to show a freebie, a special offer, or a special event. The prayer hands emoji. The prayer hands emoji is often used to show appreciation or to say thank you. It can also be used as a way of showing support or agreement, as in I hope or as in preach. The folded hands prayer emoji was often confused with a high five. You can use the prayer hands emoji in your marketing to show your customers that you appreciate their business or to say thank you or to show your support. The clapping hands emoji. Clapping hands emoji is often used to show support or agreement, such as good job or way to go. It can be used as a way to say thank you or emphasis in words like listen to me. To use the clapping hands emoji in your marketing, you can show your customers that you appreciate their business or thank them for their loyalty. The sparkles emoji. The sparkles emoji is often used to show positivity, love, happiness, or even excitement. You can show that something is also clean or new. You can use the sparkle emoji to show your customers a new offer or something you're excited about sharing with them. The winking face emoji. The winking face emoji is often used to express playfulness or to suggest a hidden meaning or joke. You can use the winking face emoji to show your customers that you're in on a joke with them or that you're being silly. The handshake emoji. The handshake emoji is a way of saying that you agree or that you've come to an agreement. It can also be used that you show support or congratulations. You can use the handshake emoji to show your customers that you appreciate their business or congratulate them on a job well done. The kissing face emoji. The kissing face emoji is often used to express love, appreciation, or admiration. It can also be used as a way of saying thank you. I prefer the blowing a kiss face as opposed to the other kissing face emojis, as the others they look like whistling to me, but I think that it is just a little bit more clear, but you can choose which one you want. To use the kissing face emoji, you can show your customers how much you love something, like their support or as a thanks to them. The hug emoji, also called the emoji with hands. The hug emoji is often used to show appreciation or to say thank you. It can also be used as a way of expressing love or admiration. This one could also be described as jazz hands, which suggests excitement or enthusiasm. You can use the hug emoji to show your customers that you appreciate their business or that you are excited to share something with them. Face with tears of joy emoji. The face with tears of joy emoji is used to express happiness, laughter, or approval. You can use the face with tears emoji to show your customers that you're happy with their purchase, or it can be used to suggest something funny or light-hearted. The explode emoji. The explode emoji is often used to express some excitement or something exciting. It can replace the words boom. You can also be literal with this one, and it could be a crash or a bang of some sorts. You can use the explode emoji to announce something exciting, like a special event, similar to the 100 or the fire emoji. The light bulb emoji. The light bulb emoji is used to express an aha moment or a realization. It can also be used to showcase an idea or a brilliant move. You can use the light bulb emoji to show your customers that you've had a great idea, like a new service or product. The thinking face emoji. The thinking face emoji is used to express deep thought or contemplation. It can also be used to show doubt or skepticism, or as if to say, I don't know about that. You can use the thinking face emoji when you're rolling out a new campaign or a product to show your customers that they should think about taking you up on this one. The surprise emoji. The surprise emoji is often used to show surprise or excitement. You can also use the more dramatic version, which can be used to replace OMG or wow, you won't believe this. You should use the surprised emoji to show your customers that you are sharing something very exciting. The painting nails emoji. The painting nails emoji is often used to express relaxation or beauty. It can also be used as saying thanks, but no thanks, and it can also mean no stress, indifference, or a nonchalance. You can use the painting nails emoji to show your customers that you're relaxed. The goat emoji. The goat emoji may look like a farm animal, but it has come to be known as the acronym GOAT, as in the greatest of all time. Some people may like LeBron, but Michael Jordan is the true GOAT. You can use the GOAT emoji to show your customers that you're best in your field or that you're offering a stellar product. So will you use emojis? Now that you know these emojis and their meanings, what do you think? Are you ready to give them a try? The future of emojis in business and marketing is uncertain, but some experts do believe that they will become more and more mainstream, while others think they will simply fade away, and only time will tell. The key is to have your emoji use in line with your brand, your business, and your audience. Test out a few and see how it works. Be sure to use emojis that have one meaning or that you're sure your audience will not misinterpret. If your audience responds, well, maybe it's a new direction for you. If you get a bunch of head shakes or questions, maybe it's not for you. An emoji for your business. For some businesses, you may have an emoji that actually represents your business or service. This can be a fun way of denoting it's you and making even your email subject lines and correspondence unique. For example, I like to use a rocket emoji because I like to help businesses grow with marketing. Domino's uses the pizza emoji quite often. Groupon commonly uses the hourglass emoji since their deals are running out of time. So which emoji might work for your business? If you are not sure where to start using emojis, I have 3 places that are great to start. As long as you use appropriate, aka not a lawyer using a poop emoji in the subject line. The first is emojis in social media posts. This is a great place to test the waters. Start with a smiley or a thumbs up when you're posting on your business page. Social media comments. This can be a great place to begin your emoji journey. When responding to a comment online, say, "Thanks, Judy," and put in that star face smiley emoji. Emojis in business emails are another great place. With so many emails coming in, you can make sure that yours stands out with an emoji. So where emojis are going to be going in business, well, we're really not sure, but you can definitely start to give them a try in your business. So what do you think? Are you going to start using emojis? Let me know in the comments.